I wrote my first book, The Ultimate Explorer's Guide for Kids, as a way to encourage children, young people and the adults that accompany them to get active outdoors, because the outdoors is a fantastic place to be. You learn loads, you see loads, you kind of reconnect with nature, you understand the world around you, and it's healthy. You know, when you're outdoors, you're being active, it's far better than sitting in front of a television. Once I'd written the first book, I spent the following year doing talks all over the country and into Europe about the first book, and one of the common questions was, what's a key skill for any explorer or adventurer? And I thought, is it cooking? Is it being able to be fit? What is it? And the key skill, no matter where you go in the world, is always to do with navigation, because no matter where you are, you need to be able to understand maps and navigation. So my second book, The Ultimate Mapping Guide for Kids, takes a very tiered approach to learning about maps and navigation. Go take a look. It's, I don't know, £7.99, £8, $8, whatever, available on Amazon or at any bookstore. It's the kind of thing that you can pick up, you can dip in and out of, you can learn maps, you can have fun and learn to navigate at the same time.